We got a new type lock today. We have a Best lever lock. Been on here for 12 years, 15 years. It's worked out pretty good, but it's starting to wear out. We will replace it. What's particular about Best locks is most locks have the container clip hole on the latch side. This is on the inside, and it comes off. Yeah, take the cover plate off. Oh, come on. Okay, here's one you haven't seen before. This is Best locks, not the Best locks, but Best manufacturing locks. They're pretty good. We installed them at this one facility when it was built. They had, they came to us and said, "Hey, we'll supply the locks." We paid for them, of course, but they lasted a long time. But over the years, they've gotten a lot of use. So this is about a 6-minute video, and that's about as long as it takes to change out one lever lock to another lever lock, unless it's a bathroom lock, which get rusted or whatever. But most of the time, about 5 minutes. And now here I was interrupted with the kids coming and going, teachers asking questions, and I did teach this teacher how to get out of the door if the lock fails, how to take it off the door from the inside. But I didn't video that. I don't let them know. But when I put them out there in public, whatever. But off the camera, I showed them what goes on and how easy these locks are. So enjoy, like and subscribe. It's free. I don't make any money.
Alright, so now that's in your books to I want to use the books that I have you guys that the fairly Alright, so let's do this. I'm gonna have you guys read something. We'll come back and discuss. Turn to page. Did we talk about the European colonization? Alright, so if we talk about it, tell me some of the things that you guys learned. We learned about this one. You guys did that. Tell me what you learned from Frank. Yes. Alright, so use the other one.
Latch is in. Already kind of stripped the lock down. Again. Got the screw back. Okay. Make sure your handle goes on and latches. It works. That one went on easy. Like that one. Let's see.
Some of you are having Oh, I'm sorry. One question, sir.
I gotta put the cylinder in.
If they have to go to the bathroom, should we just knock? Maybe we should just go to another class until you finish, right? We probably should go to another class until you finish.
I'll be done in a second. I gotta turn this, put the handle on. I'm done. Okay. Wow, so rudely interrupted.
And sorry, so we won't keep interrupting you.
I'll be done in a second.
I'm gonna bring them out.
Oh, jeez. I'll be done in just a second. Hold on 1 minute. Can't believe it. Unbelievable. Okay. Remember, a little bit counterclockwise. That's the latch. Unlocks the lock. All done.